How to delete additional Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select on the gear icon or the settings at the top right corner. Now as you tap on it, it will lead you to settings and privacy, so select on see more in account center. Scroll down again and under account settings, you can see the option of personal details. Tap on it. Select on account ownership and control. And now tap on deactivation or deletion. Here select on the profile that you'd want to delete and then simply tap on delete account. Or you can simply select on deactivation based on your preference. So you can simply tap on deactivate over here, then tap on continue, and this will delete other pages and profiles that have been additionally added to your main profile. So tap on continue, and here you just have to enter your password and then verify yourself, and you'll be able to delete additional Facebook profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.